A very good afternoon to all my students. In the last class, we have done the first story from two stories about flying. The story was his first flight. Now today we are going to do the Black Aeroplane, the second story, written by Frederick Forsyth. Here I will give you a summary of it. First, I will tell you about the main characters. Here the main characters: the narrator, who is a pilot, the mystery pilot in the black aeroplane, and the lady at the control room. These are the three main characters of the story. And the setting of the story is set in a plane flying over France. Okay, as you can see, the text is also shown here. So the theme of the story is explores themes of mystery and thrill, because this story is about the pilot who was dying to go to meet his family and having the breakfast with them, but while he was traveling, or he was flying over the sky in the plane, suddenly the plane stopped walking. So, and somehow he managed himself to save, and how it happened, it was a total mystery. As you will go through the chapter, you will get to know. Okay, so I am giving you a very brief summary of it. The writer was flying to England from France one starry night. Suddenly he was caught in a huge black cloud. In between the flight, in the mid of his journey, he was caught in a huge black cloud. Okay, and one by one, all the motors, all the machines stopped working. Okay, the compass, the radio, and other instruments in his aeroplane failed to work. So what happened? Suddenly, it was going on. He was so much panicked. He thought of not he will not be able to meet his family, and he will not be able to have the enjoy the breakfast with his family, and he will not be able to overall to see his family again. He thought all of these things. Suddenly what happened? The writer saw one black aeroplane in the cloud cover. Okay, the pilot signaled him to follow after. The writer, as he tried to communicate in the control room, because he was not able to see anything, and all the machines, all the instrument were collapsed, means it stopped working. So he could not make any communication in the control room, and he saw the black aeroplane, and it was the pilot who was signaling him to follow after. The writer did that and landed safely near the control room. So in between all, means what happened? As he followed the black aeroplane stopped near the control room. So the pilot, means our protagonist or the narrator of the story, as he followed the black aeroplane. Okay, and what happened? He suddenly saw that the black aeroplane, when he landed there, and he went to the control room, uh, he saw there was no plane. The black aeroplane was not there, the pilot was not there. So it was a great mystery to him. What happened? Suddenly it was disappeared along with the pilot. So the writer asked about the black aeroplane to the woman, and he went into the control room and asked about the black aeroplane to the woman at the control tower. The woman told him that there were no other aeroplanes flying that day. So he was shocked knowing that, because he followed the black aeroplane, and he followed the signal of the pilot. And when the women in the control room saying that there was no black aeroplane, it was such a thrilling time, it was such a mystery for him. So who could be the black aeroplane? Who could be the pilot, and what could be the black aeroplane? Was it a magic, or was it an imagination of the narrator, or was it a ghostly appearance? It can be any. Okay, uh, it can be any. It can be a ghostly appearance, it can be a ghost, it can be a magic, it can be an imagination of the narrator. So it's not given, we have to think that it can be any. So this is all about the story. Being very very surprised and witnessing such mysterious event, the narrator uh, went back to his home and enjoyed whatever he thought of, and spent time with family. And this is how the story ends. So it was a great question that who helped him to arrive safely without a compass or a radio, and without any more fuel in his tanks? Who was the pilot on the strange black aeroplane flying in the storm without lights? All these questions hovered the narrator, and it remained a mystery to him. So this is all about the second story of two stories about flying, the black aeroplane. I would recommend you to read the entire text and understand it. It's very simple. Only it is related. The theme is about mystery and thrill, where we are not actually getting the answer who was the pilot and where it had gone. The pilot along with the black aeroplane. Okay, then this was all about the story. Read it, and very short, I'll give you some questions to answer. Till then, stay tuned. Have a very good day.